Hello everybody, 50/50 Gamer here, and today we have a new Animal Company update, and I have to wonder, what is this new mirror? Got some weather out here? That's new. You have some rain. You have a big cord. What does that lead to? Oh, it's going, what is over here? I have to check this out. Remote acquisition. They're making like the thunder noises. What do we found a spreadsheet? Now machine makes more money. Money makes boss happy. What the? Oh, that's lightning. What is that? Is that a crane? You see that crane up there, right? I'm gonna need a grappler to go ahead and see. I don't even know what it is. I think it's just, yeah, it's pretty useless. But there is thunderstorms, like that right there. And it's pretty cool. Now I have to notice the obvious thing. What on earth is that? Voting system, wave starts or resets. Let's ready up. Just got dark. Why is it dark? Hello? Hello? What the? Oh. What the frick are those? What the frick are those? What the frick are those? Holy cow, that scared me so bad. They're attacking me, bro. I don't have any. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to spend money on this? Ugh. Are those zombies? Ow. Ow. Oh, I'm about to die. Why are they up here? What the heck is this? Whoa, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. That shows my money. So instead of tapping it, you use the joystick. Oh, that's really cool. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna reset. I need to heal up. I need to know. What the heck was that? Frick. I'm confused. No. No. Alright. I have to check if there's any new items before I check out this new mode. There is no new items. Okay. Let's check out this new mode. Finally. You can buy guns, but I already have like a lot of guns here. See right here. Yeah, you know, I'm ready. Alright. Only 498 minutes. I don't like that noise. Wait, do we have to use... What up, game? I'm sorry. Whoa, reset. What the... Again, I'm sorry that's taking a while. I just don't know what to do. I think we have to buy the freaking thing. We do. It's gonna cost a lot of money. It's ready up. I am now ready. Auto reload. Press and hold that to reload. What? Whoa. Get laser. Oh. Get laser. Why are these guys not dying? That's spending nuts every time. Can these guys die already? This sucks. Do I like get a lance? Alright. Whoa, those guys are creepy. To make sure I don't spend any more of my money, I'm gonna get like a baseball bat, 2 baseball bats, and I'm gonna slam these guys. Not in a weird way. Let's get him. Ready up. Don't see any zombies. Wait for other players to kill him. Okay. There it is. Come here. I just slammed them. I can one-tap these guys. Ow. Why does the cheese look different? Why is that guy big? Wait, these are custom crates. I have to put one in my storage. Wait, I gotta open one? Oh, it gives ammo. Do they all give ammo? I think they all give ammo. Maybe open another one. No, that's the heal. Look, oh god, that scared me. Die. Die. Bad. Die. Get slammed. Oh, ow. Oh god. Get slammed. Baseball bats are broken, bruh. Ow. I hit myself. Alright. Yeah, these are like MREs, heals. I have to keep one of these. Because once this becomes, you know, limited, it'll be nice to have. Oh, it's just a regular mob blue. It just turned into a regular egg. Ow! Oh god, I gotta run. Run! Here. What the? Oh! Ah! Holy cow. There's a whole swarm of them! Get out of here. Go away. Ugh. I don't like the fact that I can't really see them. Run, run. Need a light source. I just baited them for a little bit. So I'm gonna get a light source and run. Ugh, they're so bloody. Oh, defend. No, I died. Wait, are they dying? I can't tell. I don't like the way I don't like the noises. Don't tell me they're going to go for me. They're going for me. Run. Run. Come on. Die. Right now. Ooh, I got a shotgun. This is a really good, like, free-to-play thing. To get really good stuff. Can't put these in your storage, so whoa. Why is that guy so big? Run. That you can never, what the heck? You can never catch me. You bow down to me. Minions! Tonight we will steal the moon! Woo! Oh crap. Run. Holy crap, they suck. I should probably not say that. Get cow. Ow. Oh god. Ah. They want to cheat. I say no. Slam. Run. Oh. I am so stupid. That's very cool. Oh god. Explosives! Team White! I just killed myself. Oh my god, I am bad at the game. Huh? You have to reset round. I have to stock up. What is this? What is this? What did I just get? Zombie meat? I have to keep that. Now where is my body? Oh, my body is with my other stuff. It's over here. Come on. No. Ow! They caught up. Oh my god, these guys are fast. Go. Go. Run. Oh my god, I'm from like a windmill. I don't have time to mess around. Whew. Ready 100%. I am not ready. Run. It's so dark and gloomy. I don't like this. Phew. Survived the round. I need heals. I need heals. Again, I might do one more round of this. But the cheese is like brighter. The cheese is definitely bright. Whoa, holy cow, that scared me. I can like one tap these guys. The bats are broken. Wait, I know strat. Ow, can I get him to my strat, please? Back off. I have so much fans. This is a fat lie. I have so much supporters. That was big lightning. Alright. Kabam! I almost just died. I'm about to die. Oh no. Wait. These are new cosmetics. Oh no. Get off. Get off. Alright. Whoa. I have to check out the new cosmetics. It's still dark. Alright. We still have that. What is that? Metal Duck Bundle. That's cool. This bundle is still around. 20 days. I could see if I have the hat. Most likely don't. Because, you know, I suck. Yep, don't have it. I hear a zombie. I don't like this. Really cool red. Like, really cool. Why is it so dark still? I don't know. I mean, if you want to do the outro, you could just ask. Okay, well, it's gonna be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, or else these guys will eat you.